Good morning. So I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning. I stretch, lay in bed, and I like to read my inspirational Bible quotes. I'll put the app link down below, but I love these Bible quotes. They always start my day off real good. I always wake up in a positive mood when I read these quotes, and then I get up out of bed because I have a lot to do. Trust me, my morning is pretty hectic. So yeah, I like to charge my phone though because I don't leave it charging overnight, and it's low, it's pretty low. And then I like to put on my wrap, my waist trainer, and then I'll go and use the restroom and do all of my morning routine stuff on my face, which is usually like washing my face and stuff like that. And look at my dirty mirror, sorry for that. So I'm gonna wash my face with my, as usual, Neutrogena, and then I use a toner afterwards and moisturizer, and then I brush my teeth. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. I also like to include in that if you're new to my channel, my husband does not like to be in my videos. He would like to keep his life private. So yeah, that's why it's just the kids and I. This YouTube channel is just for the kids and I. So I know I usually get a lot of questions. Are you a single mom? I'm not a single mom. My husband just does not want to be in my videos, so I respect his wishes. But yeah, so I'll continue on with this routine. And since the kids are both asleep still, I like to do my makeup. I just usually do my foundation. I don't do anything on my eyes or anything too crazy, but I just do my foundation so that way I don't look so tore up when I take Nariah to school, because I really don't want to do my whole entire makeup. But yeah, I just usually do my foundation, and then I like to fill in my brows a little bit. But that's pretty much what I do before I leave the restroom because both kids are asleep. And after my makeup, I go to my living room and I open my blinds from my window to let in the sunshine. And I go into the kitchen and turn my lights on. And then it's time for some coffee. So I'll make my coffee and stuff before the kids wake up. My husband's in the shower getting ready. And I like to make myself some coffee so that way I can enjoy it with some peace and quiet. So yeah, there I am making my coffee. Every morning I like to light a candle to make my house smell good. I just love the way candles smell, and I like to light them in the morning, and I like to light them at night, but I'm lighting it this morning. And then while I prepare my coffee, so I'm gonna grab out my favorite creamer, which is the International Delight, and I love the caramel macchiato flavor. I also like hazelnut, but I'm gonna be using caramel today. And then I'm just gonna put together my coffee so I can sit down and enjoy it. And now I'm gonna sit at my table and drink my coffee and also look through emails so that way I can get back to people who emailed me or reply back to comments on YouTube. But I love to enjoy my coffee without the kids for that split little hour or 30 minutes, whatever I get out of it, I take it. And then of course 8 o'clock comes and TJ wakes up right on the dot. He seriously wakes up at 8 o'clock every day. So I'm comforting him, giving him some mommy love and some kisses, and then I'll let him go and join me. This morning he didn't need a diaper change, so I was pretty shocked. I was like, hey boy, you didn't wet your pants, or you didn't wet your diaper. So now he's gonna get something to drink and poke his nose. But yeah, so TJ likes to sit down with me and he likes to have something to drink, and then I'll put on some cartoons for him. Bubble Guppies is what's going on in the house right now. And while he's sitting there watching cartoons, I like to go and make my bed so my bed is not messy through the entire day. So I'm just gonna make my bed before I start anything else. And I have to wake Nariah up because I need her to eat breakfast and do her little morning routine. So waking the little princess up because she got to get up for school. I love those dimples. Like, she can do anything and those dimples pop out. But yeah, then she'll wake up and she'll sit there and watch some TV with her brother, and they enjoy each other's company before she leaves, because trust me, he misses her like crazy when she's gone. So they like to do that. And then while they're watching cartoons, I'll make them some breakfast. So today I'm making us oatmeal, and I'm going to chop up some bananas. So I'm just going to make some breakfast while they enjoy some cartoons. So I'm normally finished with their breakfast first before I even work on mine. So I sit them at the table so they can eat before me. Of course, kids come first. Mommy puts them first. But yeah, they enjoy their nice breakfast while I get mine ready. So I'm getting my bowl ready and going to enjoy some oatmeal with some chopped bananas on top. It's pretty much my favorite breakfast, but I usually eat it with toast, but today I just ate it like that. So there's breakfast, and I'm gonna sit down and enjoy my breakfast while watching some YouTube videos of my favorite YouTubers. After breakfast, I go into the kitchen and clean up my mess that I made. So right now I'm just gonna be washing some dishes that I made today in the morning, because usually at night everything is clean, which I'll do a nighttime cleaning routine coming pretty soon, maybe after this video. But right now I'm just gonna clean the dishes that I made, or clean the messy dishes that I made, and then 9 o'clock comes and I'm going to tidy up the living room. That's one thing that I have to do every morning, is tidy up that living room, because it gets messy from the night before, and I don't even try cleaning it the night before. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum up the carpets and just make sure it's clean, because I like my living rooms to be clean in the morning. So cleaning that living room. And after I'm done cleaning, I bring out Naraya's school clothes to get her changed. I will not be changing her in this video, but I'm bringing out her school clothes. That way she can get ready already, because 9:30 or 9:45 is coming up pretty soon. And then I like to turn on Pandora, and we all like to dance and enjoy the music while we're getting ready. I mean, who doesn't like music? I mean, it's just the best thing ever to get ready to. So I'm gonna brush Naraya's teeth. My restroom is so low on lighting, so I'm going to brush her teeth in the kitchen just for this video. So it's around 9:45 to 10 during this time right now, so I'm just getting her ready. She starts school at 11, so I'm gonna be brushing her teeth and stuff. So she's learning how to brush her teeth on her own. I'm trying to make sure she gets her tongue, her back teeth, and everything like that. So yeah, washing her face and stuff. And now I'm going to comb her hair. Her least favorite part about getting ready is me brushing her hair. So gotta do it though, gotta do it. And now that I'm finished with her hair, she is completely ready for school, and I'm going to be giving her some vitamins. These are citrus cream flavor, and they're from the 4Life brand. My aunt has her like own business within 4Life. It's a company that sells healthy vitamins and stuff like that. So I give her her vitamins, and it is 20 minutes till school starts, and she is all ready. I love her to be ready on time. She looks super cute today. I love her little Converse. And then within those 20 minutes, I use 10 of it to get TJ ready, because he needs to get ready as well as I do. I'm just going to change, because I'm going to keep my mom bun, and then obviously I have my foundation on. But TJ is cranky usually in the mornings when we have to take her, because he doesn't want her to leave. So usually juice calms him and cheers him up. But that's pretty much sums up us getting ready. And I'm going to close the windows, close the blinds, lock up, and get her backpack so we can head out the door. And now we're gonna get ourselves buckled up in the car, ready to go drop Sissy off at school. So yeah, she's so cute. I have to cool the car down because it's still kind of hot during the day. Not too bad, it was like 80 today. Now I'm gonna buckle up and turn on my phone, like the driving mode, so I don't respond to calls or texts when I'm driving. And we usually check the mail in the mornings because I don't do it at night, but today I didn't have anything, so off to school we go. And we're here. I gotta put my guest pass on before entering, and we're ready to drop sister off at school. Going to school.
Yeah, the chili like the doors in the car.
Mommy's gonna pick you up in 2 hours, okay?
Are you gonna leave me again?
Yes. You gonna have fun?
Yeah.
Listen to the teachers, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
I cannot play with toys anymore?
You can, but when they tell you it's carpet time, you gotta do carpet time or reading or arts and crafts. Okay?
But Mommy, I need to play in school because I like to.
You will play, but you also need to listen, okay?
Why?
Because you have to. So I went ahead and did a morning routine today. So right now I just dropped Nariah off of school, so we're getting into the car, and I need to go home and change TJ because I didn't bring a diaper bag, but I wanted to go to Dollar Tree for a little bit just to look around because I noticed that they put out their Halloween decorations, so I was like, I'm gonna go check it out. But yeah, that's what we're doing. This was our morning routine. Oh look, they have sister's birthday. Why you can't take me into Dollar Tree during the holidays? So we just got out of Dollar Tree right now, and I bought some Halloween decorations already. Yes, I know, but what I'm doing is I'm going to start collecting all of the decorations that I buy from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna do a big Dollar Tree Halloween decoration haul video for you guys, so you guys can see like all the stuff that I'm getting from Dollar Tree. But our Dollar Tree, I don't know about everybody else's because I know every store is different, but our Dollar Tree is already like with their 3 aisles of Halloween stuff out. So I mean, only the first 2 aisles are finished. They're still working on it, but the lady was really nice. She was like, you can go ahead and look in the boxes if you want, but I just bought a few things. I didn't buy a lot because I don't want to spend it all in 1 month. I mean, in this month of August. So, but yeah, that I got a few things. But it is already 12. It's already 12. It's not morning anymore, so I just want to finish this morning routine video. I hope you guys enjoyed this morning routine. This is pretty much our everyday morning routine since Nariah has been in school. It's pretty hectic, but I actually really enjoy it. I'm not just stuck at home. I mean, I get to go out and do stuff. Also, I get to take her to school and she gets to learn, so I really enjoy it. I think I'm gonna park in the front of it. But yeah, so this is our morning routine. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up, click the subscribe button for more videos, and catch us in our next video, which will be tomorrow. So I'll see you guys soon. Peace.